Let's dive in the world of plants. Before starting this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. The world of plants. There are different types of plants around us. Plants are different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big, some are small, and some are very small. Let's study the types of plants in detail. The first one is trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees, like mango, coconut, and gulmohar. Trees have hard and woody stem. Trees have hard and woody stem, which is called trunk. Are we clear with the first concept of plants? Are we clear with the concept of trees? Let me know in the comment section. The another type of plant is shrubs. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs, like rose, lavender, sunflower, and hibiscus. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees and have hard stems which do not bend easily. Let's move to the another type of plants, herbs. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs, like mint and tulsi. Grasses and most of the vegetables are herbs, like mint, tulsi, grasses, and spinach. Let's explore another type of plants, climbers. Some plants cannot stand straight. They need support to grow in upward direction. These plants are called climbers. Money plant, pea plant, and grapevine are climbers. They need support to grow in upward direction. Another type of plants is creepers. Plants that grow along with the ground are called creepers. Plants that grow along with the ground are called creepers. For example, pumpkin and watermelon are creepers. Let's explore another type of plants, thorny plants. Cactus and roses have thorns to protect themselves. They are called thorny plants. After studying the types of plants, let's move to the parts of plants. Parts of plant. A plant has many parts. Roots support the plant and take in water and nutrients from the soil. Stem carries food and water to all the parts of plant. Leaves make food for the plant. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Fruit is the fleshy part of the plant. After studying the part of plants, let's study the growth of plants. Plants grow from seeds. Most plants grow from seed. A seed has a baby plant inside it. When a seed gets air, water, and sunlight, the baby plant grows out of the seed. After completing the world of plants, let's do some short questions to clear more concepts. 1. Big and tall plants are called herbs, trees, shrubs. The answer is B, trees. Trees are big and tall plants. 2. Plants that grows along the ground are called. The answer is creepers. C. The answer is creepers. Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground. Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground. 3. Cactus is an example of a. Cactus is an example of a. The answer is A. The answer is A. Thorny plants. Thorny plants. Thorny plants are an example of cactus. Thorny plants are an example of cactus. 4. Roots take in water and nutrients from the. Roots take in water and nutrients from the. The answer is C. Soil. The answer is C. Soil. Roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. 5th. Most plants grow from. Most plants grow from. The answer is C. Seeds. The answer is C. Seeds. Most of the plants grow from the seeds. Most of the plants grow from the seeds. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to this channel and support this content. And stay tuned for more videos like this.